Hey everyone, welcome to the third episode of our series Unprofitable to Profitable Trader, where I'm trying to make my way towards profitability. I'm currently trading on a $10,000 account and I'm down 5.5%. And in this video, I'm going to talk about 2 points and we are going to trade live. It's currently 6:20 p.m. and I'm going to trade live today. But before that, I want to talk about the first point. I want to tell you guys what am I planning to do ahead. I'm going to keep everything exactly the same. The process will be the same. Just I'm going to implement two more things which I'm going to talk about. Those are the 2 points that I'm going to talk about today. Point number one is I have decided I'm not going to trade if I do not journal 1 hour before the trading session. That will basically be a check in for me. I'm going to check in on myself and I'm going to ask questions like did I sleep well last night? Did I eat healthy today? Did I go to the gym? Did I meditate? Did I read? Those are the kind of questions that I'm going to ask, and it's kind of like a check in on my brain, on myself, on my body, and it basically helps me to understand that am I in the right mind space to trade today? Because as you guys know, I took a loss a few days ago, which I've already posted on YouTube. The one big reason that I lost the trade was because of me not being fully focused on the charts. And when I have not actually given 100% of my energy and focus to my body and my mind throughout the day, since I trade in the evening, I do not perform well on the charts, and that being one of the reasons for a lot of my losses and a lot of my mistakes that I make. I've noticed that I tend to revenge trade. I force trades sometimes due to this, and I just realized that I have to do something about it. And the best way was to just sit down, open my journal, and write down, did I sleep well? Did I eat healthy? Did I go to the gym today? Did I meditate? Like just few of those things, and keeping my mind in check, just writing those few things down and checking in on my mind helps me to actually assess that am I fully focused before the trading session. Because a lot of the times what happens is I go, maybe I leave my home at 1 p.m. and I'm back around 5:30 p.m. from some work. I didn't have time to go for the gym, I didn't have time to meditate, I didn't have time to read. I just come home rushing, and then maybe I'm a little bit tired. I take a nap, and then I'm directly on the charts. And because of that, a lot of the times I'm not fully focused on the charts. So I decided to journal before the trading session. Now, what it does is it actually forces me to do all of those things before 6 p.m. so that I can write down in my journal, because I've made a rule that I'm not going to trade if I do not journal those things at 6 p.m. every single day. And I just did it a few minutes back, and I think it's a great addition to my trading journey. That is the first point that I want to talk about. So, let's talk about the second point before our trading session starts. Since I'm down 5.5% on my trading account, I am on a big losing streak. I've lost around 8 to 9 trades in a row. So because I'm on this losing streak, I went through my journal. I saw all of the trades which I've taken since March of 2026, and there was one common theme repeating again and again, which was I lost every single trade on a Monday. I've not had a single winning Monday since March. Yeah, there were some break evens, but every single Monday I've lost. Now, I've seen a few of the traders talk about this online, and I think it applies to me too. Every single Monday I've lost. So, how am I planning to proceed? What am I going to do about it? So, I've decided that I'm going to stop trading on Monday for the next 4 to 5 weeks. I'm just going to look at the charts. I'm going to review the charts and see what happens. Like, did we have any of the trades? Did we win? Did we lose? Did we have a break even? And I'm just going to journal it normally, but I'm not going to execute on any of the Monday for the next 4 to 5 weeks. And if I see a common theme, if I see the common theme of me losing on Mondays repeating again and again, I'm going to eliminate Monday as my trading day. I'm going to stop trading on Mondays forever because that is just hurting my PNL for no reason. Most of the winning trades were actually on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I think Thursday were the most profitable days of the week. So yeah, keeping that on mind, I think these two additions, number one being journaling 1 hour before the trading session, just checking in on ourselves, that did we do every single thing, like are we fully focused in our right mindset to trade today, and second being not trading on Mondays. I think these two additions are the next step towards profitability. So yeah, I will be implementing these two things in my trading journey, and we will see how it goes actually. And you keep making these mistakes and you identify those mistakes. I talked about this in a previous video too, that trading is just you make a mistake, you identify the mistake, you journal the mistake, and you never repeat it again. So thanks for meeting me on the charts. So first of all, we have this 4 hour imbalance over here, but we have taken tons and tons of liquidity. So since the last few days, we can see that we are a bit bearish. We can see we have been creating the lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and we have created a lower low. So this can be an indication that we can continue to the downside, or this can be the objective and we can start running towards the upside. So looking at the 1 hour time frame now, I see a lot of bearishness on the market and we are coming up corrective. We even have the 4 hour imbalance right above. So I think we can expect some shorts today or even longs because we have taken a major liquidity pool and we might be heading for this high, which can be a possibility. Yeah, we have been correct coming up corrective. We are coming up corrective. Yeah, so I was checking the news app, and basically I think US attacked Iran again, and Trump said that the ceasefire is over, and we just had this huge fall as we can see here. I think it's kind of risky to trade today. I am not sure if I'm going to trade, but for now, shorts look good. We can't do anything but wait. Let's wait for the market open in 10 minutes and then we can see what we have to do. I will see you guys in 10 minutes. So the market has opened up, and these are the two scenarios that I am looking at. The first one is this is the start of the 4 hour fair value gap, and this is a 5 minute, which is just a refined area. And if we get anything out of the 5 minute or maybe some consolidation here, then we sweep and try to reverse. I will look to short and we can get something right away. Maybe we'll just have to wait. We are getting a good push up. A push up is a good sign because I was not looking to long anything today. Now we have almost opened up this 1 minute imbalance, but I do not like to take a trade out of the 4 hour. Okay, we have just tapped into the. I usually don't like to trade directly on 1 minute or 3 minute inversions out of the 4 hour because the 4 hour usually traps a few times before inversing. I like to see a deep move into the 4 hour imbalance. And now we just had our move into the 5 minute. Let me just see. Let me just open my MetaTrader and be ready for anything. We can get an inverse here. Let's just look at it. Okay, so we have this SMT. We have taken this high, like SPX to take the high too. It will just make the trade higher probability, but we have this SMT currently. Okay. Let's see if we can hold this 5 minute and get an inverse. Okay, so this looks good. If we get an inverse over here, but this has to be an early break even. 3 minute imbalance right over here, which we held. If we get an inverse, yeah, we can go ahead and take it. I'll just go for a 1 is to 1, something like this. And we'll just look at SPH before we enter. Did we sweep everything? Yes, that is just perfect. Okay, let's see if we can get an inverse right away. I kind of don't like how we are holding this area currently. I'm not sure if I should even take the trade if we get the inverse, because it just tested. It was just tested too many times. We had a lot of rejections. I don't have the same confidence in the trade right now. So we'll have to wait for something else to form, or I think we'll be done for the day. It's the moments like these where you have to tell yourself to wait, wait, and wait, and don't be tempted just by looking at the charts or just forcing a trade at this moment. I learned it the hard way that forcing a trade is not going to make me profitable. It's just going to slow my progress down. And I learned it the hard way that me doing that, me forcing those trades and taking trades against my rules is actually just slowing me down. I forgot to place my exact entry. Oh my god, we have adjusted my stops a little bit because our entry was actually here. I got tagged in at 083, which is so bad. The spreads are really bad in this account. I'm trading on funding pips right now. The spreads are really bad. I get this. Okay, so we have not inversed it yet. If we inverse it, I think I will take the loss right over there, because yeah, that's a bad sign for us. Let's look at 3 minute. Let's look at 5 minute. Things look okay. Okay. So it feels like if we just break below that area, we can get a smooth move to the lows. our break even. Finally, we got the move. We will just. I don't want the trade to be an early. Let break the low, break the low. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nice. Let's look at the 3 minute now. Let's hope the 3 minute breaks the lows. We'll just. I think I will not go break even and trail it at around 100 and 302. I just want the trade to have a little bit of space. 100 and I've kept it at 105 for now, and we have our TP set at 25. So let's hope that this candle just breaks below. 5 minute looking okay. Yeah, this is not going to break. Break it, break it. Yep, yep, yep. Yeah, we are creating fair value. Finally, we broke below the low. Ah, this was so tough to hold. Yeah, so now I can actually just go around 091, maybe 091. I'll just trail it to 91 because we have created this fair value gap. I just want to give it a little bit of space. We just wait, wow, TP hit. TP was hit. Wow, great trade. So it was a $81 profit. I mismanaged the risk. I think is what I believe, because I risk $100 on a trade, but I do the math mentally, so I don't exactly know. Sometimes it's 100, it's 110, it's 105. And yeah, we can just see the markets just ripping up, reversing from our targets. Glad we had our targets there. TP hit, boom. Yeah, so that's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the live trading video too, the live session too, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.